Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by securing power and network. Plug in the PC and make sure Wi-Fi is stable, because interrupted installs cause issues. Once done, open Settings, navigate to Windows Update, and click Check for updates to fetch available packages. You should also back up key files or create a system restore point so you can revert if something goes wrong. This is a quick safety step that saves time later and prevents data loss. Once updates appear, decide. Feature updates add functionality and take longer. Quality updates are smaller fixes. Choose accordingly. Click Download and watch the install status. Windows shows % complete and any pending driver installs. You should configure active hours or schedule a restart if the process requires it, because forced restarts interrupt work. If a driver prompts, let Windows fetch the driver. Manually install driver. After installation, perform the final restart and then verify success in update history to confirm packages applied. If you encounter errors, run the built-in Windows Update Troubleshooter to fix common issues automatically. It checks services, cache, and connectivity. Make sure you have enough disk space and that drivers are current. Update them if needed. As a last resort, use recovery to roll back the update or uninstall specific recent updates to restore system stability.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.